I'm starting to body work on the fenders today. Previously got them stripped down to bare metal. Got a coat of epoxy sealer on them to protect the bare metal. And nothing too crazy, just a few small dings here and there just from over the years. No rust in these fenders. One of them, I believe it's the right fender, so it'll be this one, was NOS the last time the truck was painted. It had about 4 paint jobs on it that I stripped off of it. This fender only had 1 paint job, so it was fairly new. And this one only had 2, so it had been replaced at some point too. So these are actually newer fenders. They're still probably 25 years old or more. But since I'm doing body work and I got the cab all painted, I had to I got to get the truck back on the ground. I got the front brakes are all on, front tires and wheels are on it, back on the ground after sitting on jack stands for over a year. I don't have the rear rims yet. I have the new tires, so I'm gonna have to try and get this one to seal back on the rim there. These are amazingly, it's still holding air. This is a date coded 1978, so it's had these big monster tires on it since the truck was day 2, as they call it. Let's see if I can get that one. Maybe I'll have to use the front tires on the back, the old front tires. I don't know, they don't hold air either. But I got to be able to roll this truck outside now that I'm back into body work again, and I'll be priming. I don't want to get overspray on this, and it came out so freaking clean and nice. I actually cut the roof off of this truck about a year and a half ago. It was rotted pretty bad from I believe a factory installed sunroof. It had a mirrored finish to the top of it, and I've seen them before on other factory trucks. But so after I got all that done and body worked and primed, and I ended up painting the whole inside of the cab because it's all paint underneath. And after that, I was working on scraping and painting the frame, so I sealed the cab all up as to prevent dust and rust dust and overspray to get in there. So I haven't been inside this cab in over a year. So I figured I'd get a little unveiling, because like I said, I'm going to be rolling this truck in and out, so I'm going to need to be able to steer it. I'm probably going to leave the front and back windows taped up for now, just so I prevent any bird droppings, whatever, inside on the dash. And yeah, and I actually put new floor pans in this, and so everything inside has been painted. The dash is actually original. We'll check that out in a minute when I get this torn down, but I'll probably have the glass guys come and install the windshield pretty soon here. I don't see why not. I don't plan on ripping the dash out, so I shouldn't have any access problems there. And I have a brand new, well, a new to me solid back glass, and I have all the seals for it, so that should be coming. I should probably get that going here pretty soon. But hell, let's rip this down. It's been over a year. Let's see what she looks like in here. Oh yeah, she is stuck. Ooh, there's a little shine still. That's good. How's it? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh man, the floor got dirty. Okay, it was expected. There was, there's some holes still on the floor. It wasn't completely sealed. But, oh no! Is that a crack in the dash? Wow, that wasn't there. In my glove box lid. How the hell? Okay. Well, you just witnessed that with me on film. I have to, hopefully that's something I'm not. How in the freaking hell? It does look like it's cracked. You son of a bitch. Man, this dash was perfect. At least I was real happy that the roof doesn't have a lot of overspray on it or anything, so that would have been a bitch to clean. Oh, that was a surprise. I was not expecting that. For sure. But I have to get in here and do a little vacuuming. But at least I'll be able to steer this guy out of here now. Man, I'm a little bummed out about that. Let's check it out from the other side, huh? How in the world? I mean, nothing has touched this. How did that happen? It is a crack. Unreal. Man, that really stinks. I don't know how that's even possible. Maybe just the hot and the cold. I don't know. Well, I guess that'll do it for the unveiling. It was a little surprise I didn't see coming, but overall, not bad. It's about what I expected, obviously, for that. But. All right, guys. I'll talk to you later.